This is our Louis Vuitton Pallas clutch, and it is beautiful, and it is in excellent condition. It's a really, really gorgeous bag. So it's made in one piece of fabric, so it means that the back is actually, well, looks to be upside down. It obviously features this beautiful V-shaped pocket here, which in this one is red, matches my nails. So the pocket is there like so, and it means that you get poking through the Louis Vuitton Paris. Obviously, one of the main things about this awesome bag is you get two straps, a long leather and a slightly shorter chain. So it means that you can have a crossbody bag, or you can have a shoulder bag, but both straps are actually removable. So in fact, you can have a clutch bag as well. So it's multifunctional, absolutely gorgeous. All of the bag straps have got the LV on the fastens there as well. So it's a zip top closure, Louis Vuitton on the zip pull, and inside it's lined in red, so it's absolutely beautiful. You've got the main compartment, and then you've got one pouch pocket there as well. Condition wise, it's in excellent condition. So the exterior is in perfect condition. There's no signs of wear at all on any of those bottom corners, which are the usual telltale signs. The hardware is in perfect condition, and also inside, internally, it's in excellent condition. Comes with Louis Vuitton dust bag, and it's an absolute beautiful little bag. The straps, the fact you can have a shoulder or a crossbody or a clutch bag, means that you could literally use this for anything. Business meeting, night out with the girls, lunch with your mom, whatever it is you're doing, you could use this bag for. Absolutely love it. If you are watching this on YouTube, there is a link below here that takes you directly to this product on the website, so you can click it and it will take you straight to see this product on our website. Also, if you subscribe to the newsletter on our website, you will receive discount codes and things through, but you'll get a straight away welcome 10% discount code, so you might be able to get yourself 10% off this. You can click the link below to get to that.